How to adjust video speed in GoPro Quik. First of all, open the app on your device. Next, go to the Studio tab at the bottom and select the video you want to adjust. Tap on the Edit button to open the editing options. Then look for the speed or playback speed icon and tap on it. Here you will see a plus icon on the timeline. Tap on it to choose the speed. Make it faster, such as 2x, 4x, 8x, 16x, or slower like 1/2x, 1/4x, and more. Select the speed you want for the video and use the slider to move on the part of the clip you want to speed up or slow down. Once you are at the end point, tap the right button that appears in the timeline. You can make your video play faster for a time-lapse effect or slower for a slow motion effect. Preview the changes and make sure the speed fits your video style. Once satisfied, tap Save to apply the changes and export your video. Now you know how to adjust video speed in GoPro Quik. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.